Guys, what's up? It's Noytebs here. So today we're going to unbox this coffee bean grinder. And again, guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So I have here a Cuisinart, a coffee bean grinder. So again, we're going to do a just an unbox on this, and then I'm gonna try it next time to put the coffee bean, you know. But again, what's in a box here? It says it's a Cuisinart, a Supreme grind. It's a bore mill, you know. And so again, we're gonna start now, and I'm so excited here because I really love coffee. And I think this one here, it's about $40. I just bought it in Costco. And yeah, they have the paperwork here. So, and then okay, so you have that silicone. They have that for your coffee, you know. You're going to there's a brush on that one to clean, and then they have some coffee scooper. Okay. Then okay. Don't need that one. Okay, so again, this is it, guys. This is very small. Look at that, it's very small. Like, I don't know. And this is the chamber, your coffee chamber. And then, and again, people get mistakes in this one here because when they do grind, they forgot to put the lid on the chamber. So that's why it's flopping in the air, you know. So all of those coffee beads, powder, that's what happened. So, but again, this is the lid here. This is the lid, and this is the chamber. Yeah, take this one out. And you know, when you do cleaning on this one here for your maintenance, you just turn around until such time you take this one out. And again, this is it. So this is your hopper of your coffee bean hopper. And again, the purpose of this brush is to, when you do so, if you're done, all you have to do is to clean the debris inside, because you know, it will stick there, and then it's kind of hard for you to clean it after, you know. So that's why if you're done, then clean it right away. So again, it's really good, guys. I really like it. And so on this one here, it's just going around until a such time. You see that they have here a selection. What is the how small is your coffee would be, you know, how powdery kind of. So it depends on your selection. And again, they have here the this is the on and off switch, and how many 4 or 5, 4, 8, 12 and 18. What do you mean? The one is the cup or something. So that's the choice there from 1 until 18, you know. So they have very good selection here. And also after that bar, there's also a power switch in here. And I know it's very loud because people was trying here, and oh, no, anyway, we can try this one out and how loud it is. So I know that it's very loud, so that's why people doing some vlogs on this one or review. It's so noisy. Okay, so we're gonna try how loud it is. Not really. Yeah, so but again, it's not that loud because of there's no coffee bean inside. But if there's a coffee bean here, I'm 100% sure that it's so loud there, this machine. But again, it's so decent, it's so good. I like it because it's too small, and you know, when you put this one in on your where you're gonna store your coffee, the Keurig, I got a Keurig right now, so again I'm using that one, and then I just pour it in the key cup. So bang, that's it. So it's a little bit cheaper if you're going to brew your own coffee beans in this machine, compare when you buy a container of it's already bore beans, you know. That's the thing. It's very important that, you know, but again, it is good because the fresh, the more the taste of the coffee, right? Because it's not yet dry, so you can feel the it's a little bit wet on the powder because it is not dry and it's fresh brew from here. So but again guys, you know, it's really good, and I think the price that what you pay is $40. I think in Costco, I think it's already okay for me. And again, to maintain this one here, I think it's better for you to keep cleaning after you're done, so that at least it won't stuck inside of this the case, right? So this is the housing base, and it might be clogs by the time you're not gonna clean this machine after you're done boring the coffee beans. Okay, so but anyway, again guys, that's about it. And next time I hope I can create a video for this, for my unboxing or something, for my I can bore beans here, and then I will show it to you how it works. And again, at the moment, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. But again, I recommend this product to my friends if they like this one. It's really awesome product. It's too small, it's too light, and yeah, nice. So but again guys, thank you so much again for watching. This is Noytebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.